What I'm going to demonstrate now is the use of profiles and how you can see the pressure waves progressing up and down the pipeline. We're going to start off with the time series view. This is basically looking at the demand that we put through this simple basic supply and demand model. I'm going to look at the side view of the pipeline for probably about a day, just to see how the flow and pressure varies along the pipeline length. So if I go over to the pipeline itself and just select right hand mouse click and then go to profile, it will give me a default view, and it's basically starting from the 29th going up to the 12th. It's probably, or 12 o'clock should I say, it's probably about an hour's worth of data. So obviously I want to go back to the beginning of the data and start it on the 27th, and I want to go to about 9 o'clock, let's say. So let's start right at the start of the pipeline. Now I'm expecting there to be zero flow, and indeed there is. So if you want to see how the pressure and the flow vary with time along the overall length of the pipeline, you just basically hold the mouse cursor down on this arrow to the right hand side, and then you'll see how the waveforms vary with time. Now as transients appear, they will be animated via this trend. It's very, very powerful. And you can see the time moving at the bottom right hand side. Now we're also able to superimpose MAOP alarm lines and LAOP alarm lines, so you can see how the flow and pressure fluctuate between those alarm limits. I think we're obviously getting into one of the sine waves now, and notice how the pressure dips. We're definitely into a sine wave now. This is replaying every single bit of saved data that's currently stored within the database for this configuration. And there you go. That's a snapshot of the data. I won't play the whole thing.